Have you ever noticed that on your worst days, your dog comes closer to you and sit next to you, or your cat, who generally stays away from you, comes and sit in your lap constantly? Animals sense our pain before even we admit it to ourselves. But what they do with that pain, that part nobody talks about. I'm Annapurna Kumar, a telepathic animal communicator, and today I will tell you how our pets become our healers. To start with, the first thing, our pets, our animal companions, they absorb and mirror our emotional energy. What happens is they are energetic beings, so as we. And when they start living with us, they generally absorb and mirror what their humans are doing. And you can see it very easily. Say, for example, a human is looking for validation always, people's pleaser, and always outgoing and welcoming lot of people. You will see this mirroring part in the dog, who is always happy, wagging tails and welcoming guests, as if the dog is meeting to this guest for the ages, since the ages, and as if the dog knows them since beginning. So sometimes pet parents ask me, ऐसे कैसे behave कर रहा है जैसे सबको जानता है, but actually क्या हो रहा है कि ये dog अपने ह्यूमन की एनर्जी मिरर कर रहा है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल कोई बहुत ही ओवर थिंकिंग कर रहा है, बहुत बिजी रह रहा है, या फिर बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्लटर्ड माइंड में है, उनकी कैट क्या करेगी? इरिटेटेड रहेगी, आके स्नैप करेगी, प्रॉबेबली सॉलिट्यूड ढूंढेगी, मिरर करेगी ये एनर्जी जस्ट टू शो दैट ह्यूमन दैट यू आर नॉट इन द करेक्ट स्पेस, आपको अपने ऊपर काम करना है। दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मिररिंग लुक्स लाइक. So remember, your pet is not just watching you, your pet is feeling you, mirroring you, absorbing your emotional energy. Second thing is that our pets do not only mirror or absorb our emotional energy, they take on our physical illnesses too. Why do they do that? As per the soul contract, what happens is they try to heal their humans as much as possible. Say for example, a human who is having lot of skin issues like eczema in a specific area of his body, a dog or a cat will also have a skin challenge exactly in the same area, and this is called a classic case of taking on the illness. Sometime it happens, और मेरे बहुत सारे सेशंस में मैंने ऐसा देखा है कि कभी कभी डॉग्स को या कैट को भी वही मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब की जाती है. से फॉर एग्जांपल नर्व पेन के लिए गाबापेंटिन दी जाती है ह्यूमंस को, एक ह्यूमन को दी गई थी, और उनके डॉग को भी ऐसा पेन हुआ था, वो पेन जो उसने टेक ऑन किया, कि गाबापेंटिन डॉग को भी प्रिस्क्राइब की गई. Second thing, a cat ने जो UTI take on किया, sometime it happens that the human is also having some challenges with urinary tract infection which cat had taken on. And amoxicillin, a kind of antibiotic, cat को भी वही antibiotic दी गई जो human को दी गई. So sometimes when your pet falls sick, you need to understand that they are not asking you to heal them, but they want you to look at your own self and heal your own self first. Many people wonder why their pet shows up exactly the time when they break down. Say for example, they are sad, they are crying, they are ill, they are upset, going through any breakup, anxiety or frustration. That is the time your pet comes nearby you, sits next to you or tag along you. What happens is, before any energy shifts happen in your life, in your physical, mental, emotion, body, they come to know it before you, because your pet is in the highest level of energy consciousness. So उनको सबसे ज़्यादा पता चलता है, पहले पता चलता है what their human is going through. Say for example, when you are going through a breakup and you are sitting quietly in a corner, your dog will come sit next to you to give you most important message that I am here with you, you are not alone. Second, they are grounding your energy. They help you come in the moment, be in the present. Sometimes they help you forget the past and move on. While your dog works on your emotions, sitting next to you, coming closer to you. Your cat works on your energy field, not even coming closer to you, but दूर से ही cat आपकी energy को balance करके, heal करके आपके ऊपर काम कर रही होती है. Imagine करिए, last आप कब रोए थे और तब आपका pet कहाँ बैठा था। सोचिए आपके पेट आपके लिए क्या क्या करते हैं, हमें पता भी नहीं चलता है।
Even science has agreed that having pet helps us heal on a major scale. When you pet your dog, the cortisol level, the stress hormone, literally reduces. It balances your heart rate. You feel calm, you feel accepted, you feel happy. Cat's purr vibrates at a lower frequency, ranging from 25 to 150 hertz. What does it do? It helps you heal your bones. It helps in your breathing pattern. It is literally therapeutic to have a cat around you. When you greet your pet or a pet greets you, what happens is the amygdala, a fear center in your brain, literally shrinks, and it helps you develop the pattern in your life to react in the fear or insecure situation. So you are trained by your mind and by your subconscious mind how to react in those situations where you are very uncomfortable thanks to your pets. I have an example. One of the human who had gone through a bypass surgery literally healed so fast because his cat used to sit next to him nearby his chest. Now our pets cannot heal our surgical wounds, but emotionally, mentally, energetically, they are always playing the role of a healer. You will not believe that your pet keeps healing you even after they are gone, even after they cross over. Energy never dies. Their connection with you never ends. So, what happens is they keep giving you signs. They come into your dreams and they keep telling you that they are there always around you. In so many sessions, again, I have received messages that I want my human to get a blood work done. One of the human mom who was feeling very fatigued and exhausted, having a session with her dog who had crossed over. He said that human mom needs to get a blood work done. She said, "No, I'm absolutely fine and everything is okay." However, with the routine blood work, when she got it done, she received the report that she had significant anemia and iron deficiency. And then she realized that her dog was actually leading her to heal herself, and that's why he kept saying that please get a blood work done. Please remember, their love stays with you, working on you always. If your pet has ever fallen ill when you were struggling or healed you, intuitively you must have 100% known that it is for you. Tell me in the comment, when did you notice this and what did your pet do as a healer? And follow this page to know what your pet is trying to tell you always.